Today we're going to be talking about news about Shiba Inu Coin and something that Elon Musk just said. Let's get into our video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into this video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys are interested in investing in Shiba Inu Coin and you want some free money, then go ahead and get signed up with Public, the social investing app, with the first link in the description. When you deposit $1 on the platform, you can get up to $70 worth of free stock, and now you can invest in Shiba Inu Coin on there. So go ahead and do that with the first link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get straight into our cryptocurrency for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on Public, and we can see that Shiba Inu Coin is down 18% on the day. Now this could be for a couple of reasons. A lot of FUD was being spread at the end of the day. Obviously yesterday during our live stream, there was also the whole crypto exchange couldn't handle Shiba Inu Coin's volume, so we went down at that point too. Then we made all the way back up to all-time highs, and it was looking like we were going to shed that zero that we were talking about. And then obviously some FUD came out. Basically, CoinMarketCap decided to increase the supply that Shiba Inu Coin had when the supply is really about 390 million, and they put the supply at about 550 billion. So that was something that happened, or maybe it was trillion. I can't remember. Yeah, I think it's trillion. And this led people to believe that Shiba Inu Coin kind of added coins when in fact they cannot add coins. So CoinMarketCap kind of spread FUD, and now we've been on a downtrend for the rest of the day. But I think we're at a support, and I think we're ready to make our next leg up. So we'll talk about all that in today's video. But here we are on StockTwits, and we can see that Shiba Inu Coin is by far the most active stock on StockTwits. It's not close. We currently have 80,000 messages in the last 24 hours. Not only that, but we also have 10,000 people that added Shiba Inu Coin to their watch list in the last 24 hours, and that makes them have about 122,000 people on that are watching Shiba Inu Coin on StockTwits, which is absolutely insane. And then we can come here to Lunar Crush and see that the social metrics are all green, which if you guys have watched any of our videos, if all of these are green, the cryptocurrency is most likely going to do well. And then you can see here that the social volume is still very high. It's still at pretty much highs for anything we've ever seen, although it is a fall from grace from yesterday when we were having that massive run up. But overall, social volume of Shiba Inu Coin is good right now. All right, but I want to talk about this whole market cap situation that went on. So if you guys don't understand what happened, basically if you look at CoinMarketCap, this max supply or total supply basically used to say 1 quadrillion, because that's what it is. It used to have 1 quadrillion, but then if you take a look here at the is it holders or is it historical data? I believe it's holders. If you look at this holders graph, you can see that there is a dead wallet. This is the wallet that was given to Vitalik Buterin, which he basically burned 410 trillion Shib from the supply. So yeah, now they're saying, and then we burned more Shib and all of that, and we were sitting at about a $390 trillion supply. Well, today they basically moved that supply, the total supply from the dead wallet. They said, hey, this no longer counts, so we're gonna say your total supply is is now 589 trillion, and your circulating supply is somehow now 549 trillion. This led people to believe that Shiba Inu somehow put more supply in the ecosystem, thus diluting people's shares. But basically, it didn't dilute anyone's shares. You can see that the price is still the same, but this did lead to FUD, and it basically kind of decreased Shiba Inu Coin's overall price over the last day, and kind of led to us not shedding that zero, which we thought was going to happen, but we didn't think that this FUD would come out. But now you can see we can go over this. Shitoshi did mention this, but just to be clear, no real way that Shiba's supply can go up. So it can't go up from 390 trillion to 500 something trillion. This site was built a long time ago and is a very good site to calculate price versus market cap, and also reflects the current supply. When you take a look at this, you can see that the total amount of tokens is 394 trillion tokens, not 549 trillion tokens like they show here on CoinMarketCap. But yeah, that is the whole situation that went on yesterday. A lot of FUD coming out, but hopefully now that we've explained it to you guys aren't scared or anything to keep investing. But I do want to go over this tweet. So if you guys are wondering why Dogecoin actually went up yesterday, basically Elon Musk said, this guy said, there are no promises in crypto except for scammers. The people telling the truth will tell you it's all about risk. Your profits only come from people taking their own risk. If you lose money, you paid for someone else's risk. Ultimately, it's your choice. Then, and that is something that's very true. There are no, like, Shiba Inu Coin isn't guaranteed to make you $1 million. We think it will, but we'll never tell you, hey, this is going to ascend no matter what. I have high conviction that it will, but there's no telling you if it will. But then Elon Musk said, if I send you 2 Doge, will you promise to send me 1 Doge? So this led to an increase. It was like the only catalyst that Doge really needed. And then you can see that Dogecoin is now up 30% over the last day. And they're doing well, and people are like, oh, Dogecoin is the best meme coin again. Well, first of all, Shiba Inu Coin isn't even a meme coin, and second of all, Shiba Inu Coin had FUD last night, and we're working to recover from it now. But guys, the volume is still there. We're still at a 7% increase over yesterday, which was literally a historic day. We're at about the same volume as market cap, so there's still room for a lot of different fluctuations in our price. And yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at right now, but let's get into the technical analysis. Okay, and we can see here that I've drawn support and resistance lines for Shiba Inu Coin. And basically we have a support line here at the 61 level. I think as long as we stay above the 61 level, we are ready to make our next leg up. Now this FUD has came through, and throughout the rest of today, people are like not as excited about Shiba Inu Coin, although the Shib army is still strong. Our videos are still doing just as well as they did yesterday, so people are still excited about Shiba Inu Coin. It's just, you know, that FUD was spread and a few people were confused, but now that, you know, all the information is coming out and people are a little bit less confused, I think we're going to be ready to make our next leg up, and we're going to bounce off this support really nicely, and then we're going to come into a resistance at the 88 level, which is about 25% in gains from here, which I think we can see either today or tomorrow. And as long as we get above this resistance, we'll be shutting that zero within the week. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be my analysis on Shiba Inu Coin today. If you guys did get any value or entertainment out of this, then go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and also comment how many Shiba Inu Coins you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. And then also make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. It's literally free. Check out our NFTs with the second link in the description. Subscribe if you guys want to come to our live stream today. We will be talking about all the latest things in Shiba Inu Coin news, and if you guys want to ask us any questions, you can ask us in that live stream. Kyle will be there. So yeah, that's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.